Guys, nobody is going to tell me that cops are not in on this shit. I'm sorry to make such accusations, but after what I just saw, a full-on half an hour of nothing but drama, lawlessness, and a highly trained group of criminals. Like, there is absolutely no way, automatic rifles in the middle of a highway, bombs exploding, not even one single cop car. There is absolutely no way cops are not in on this thing. Like, I could not believe what I was watching at this point. This is Johannesburg South, just past the massive WeBuy cars. It's crazy. It's unexplainable. It's just unexplainable. Those people were highly trained.
Hey, can you see again the started our safety? Right in Duna. Right in Duna. Hey, bitch. I mean, I started just to
Move here.
Okay.
Hey, it's a thing. I'll break that phone. It's a thing.
Yeah, move, what is I'm getting some people to know what is going on. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not taking the video.
Mara, go and stand there.
Okay. All right.
Guys, move, Melanie. Move. Please. Thank you,
Melanie. This house It was later, man. Check here. Yo, this is what is going on, huh? Yeah, Yo. Johannesburg. What is the name of this? Okay. Yini mfethu hayi waba serious ngathi angibamba ngampunzi mina ngithatha ivideo awu muvani madida muvani mafethu muvani machens sengicela mafethu muvani ola njani exe
No, I want to touch
Yo.
Alright. Mina ngisithathela ama video.
Yeah, ngithatha ume ngale.
Right.
Siyacela.
Alright. Hey. Utholele ithutlipa jayami. Hayi miyekele nduna.
Azohlulwa amehla abantu zokuthatha sifake wena la.
Asikhisi nduna. Amxolele umuntu wakithi nduna. Ngixolele.
No, amasimba le nto. Nala ma-office nyana khona thathana namavidiyo. Umuntu bayinkomo aruthathana namavidiyo. Yes, sir.
They are turning half.